Hello, greetings all. My name is Olivia Emma and I am a digital designer and creative technologist. So just before I'm going to leave you to watch the time lapse, I just wanted to walk you through the scene. This is an interior build with a purple. Oh my god, my fans are going off. Hopefully it's not picking up too bad. But the shadows cast on a wall is supposed to add a level of depth. I did this using Grayscale Gorilla's gobos. If I take you around the house, you can see how that looks like. Just added a very tiny light attached with a gobo that you can see reflected over here. I also wanted the room to feel like very stylish and slightly lived in. I've still got a way to go in achieving that. I'm hoping that over the course of creating more 3D interiors, I'll be able to have more details. Pixel Bridge, is it called Pixel Bridge? Bridge is really good at having materials that have like small defects, and as well as Grayscale Gorilla having like fingerprints on glass and all of those different things. I'm aiming to lean more into that territory of creating things that have more detail. Currently I feel like this scene feels a little bit too clean, but I am very happy with the composition and just the overall layout of it and how things are looking. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to leave you to watch the time lapse. This is my first video, so I would appreciate it if you were to like if you liked the video, or to ask any questions if you had any in the comment box. I'm also going to add in the websites where I've gotten a lot of these objects, mostly for free. It's only the sofa that I've purchased, but everything else has been free, so I'm going to attach that to the description box. But I hope you enjoy. See you on the other side. Bye.